Hey, hi.
What's up, bro? What happened?
Wait.
Come on, man. Thanks. It's been a long time, brother.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
It's fine. Hi.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, yeah. By the way, how are your studies going on?
Why don't we just skip that?
Is there any problem?
I'm just sick of these thoughts.
I think you're overreacting.
What?
Don't get me so wrong. Just tell me what happened.
Actually, I want to become an
Mhm.
actor, bro. But my parents are forcing me to work at a company.
Welcome to the club.
But considering my family financial background, I have to do a job. But after some time, all I want to do is
Acting. Stop being a victim of dilemma, bro. Just chill and watch this video, okay?
नोवल कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू से ढकें। हाथों को लगातार साबुन से धोएं। अपनी आंख, नाक और मुंह को छूने से रुकें। अगर किसी को खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो तो उससे कम से कम 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। जरूरत पड़ने पर नजदीकी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र जाएं या हेल्पलाइन नंबर 011-239-780-4 पर संपर्क करें। स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय।
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find various types of contents. Contents! Where is the BGM, man? Okay, let's just leave it. It's been a long time that I posted a video. I think it's been almost 2 months. It's because I started going to college. Before starting the video, I want to tell you one important thing, which is the actual title of this video. The actual title of this video contains 2 parts. First one is how to deal with dilemma, and the second one is how to deal with the worst cases caused by the wrong decisions we made. I don't want this whole thing as the title, so I went with dilemma. Not dilemma, the word dilemma. I think it's time for this intro. Oh, stop it. I think you may want to skip this video for 30 seconds. It's kind of funny, you know.
it's okay.
Okay then, carry on. Why am I at the edge and why can't I move? Because I'm here, you freak. Freak? Who the hell are you, man? I am you. No, who are you? Yes, I know, man. What's your name? I know. What? You're the one who always makes me choose something wrong, right? Yeah, I feel same about you. What kind of idiot are you, man? Fine, yeah, I can see that. Yeah, me too. You're making me angry. No, I'm not. Okay, guys, let's just leave him. Yeah, same here. Oh!
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
What does it do to me, man? Where the hell is this guy? Anyway, studio is empty. Let's start the video. Hello, everyone. Let's start the video. That's better. Do you know where this dilemma comes from? This mini war comes from within, due to the low self-esteem and low levels of confidence. For example, if you encountered a situation where you should prioritize one thing over the other things, most of the people tends to choose the easiest one other than more important things. In this process of choosing the easiest one, they'll stay in dilemma for some time whether to choose the most important things to do or to choose the easiest one. We face this situation very often. To avoid this, I'm going to tell you a 7-step process to avoid dilemma. And you may not find this video very interesting, but when applied these 7 steps, it is going to be work very efficiently. Why so late? Let's just dive to the mainstream. Yes, don't get tensed. Stay cool and think on the bright side. If you get tensed, you won't be able to think on the bright side, as we know that negative things attracts us more than the positive things. And if you're in a tensed state, you won't be able to think on the bright side, and you will definitely choose the wrong option. So stay cool, be chill, and think on the bright side. Take your own time and think properly, because nothing is going to happen by the decisions made out of haste, except distraction. If you take your own time and think properly, it doesn't consider as dilemma, because you won't cause any stress. And so don't be so speedy in choosing. And if you start listening to the people, it confuses you more and consumes more of your time. So take your own time and stop listening to the people. Definitely choose and do what you love. Even if you followed the first two steps and you choose the thing which you don't love, it is a complete waste. And I'm not entirely telling you people to choose what you love, because everyone has their own interests. Some love money, some love happiness, and some love peace of mind, etc. But if you are the one who loves happiness, peace of mind, along with money, this step 3 is a perfect path for you. Keep your interest hyped up each and every day and work like it's day one, but don't apply the false interest like it is some kind of face cream. Even in applied mathematics, the applied terms are again be replaced at the end. If you apply the false interest, you may end up with good money, but not happiness or peace of mind. But if you say like this, like, I love what I do, but I'm not getting that motivation, push, or interest to do it each and every day. Trust me, buddy, you really don't like it. Let me take it just this way. If you find something so much fun to do, you will do it each and every day, no matter what, because you love to do it, because it is so much fun. Once a millionaire or billionaire scientist said that if you need motivation to do things, please don't do it. He's none other than Elon Musk. Please do what you love. If you do what you love, you will do it each and every day like it is day one. If I say this word now, I may sound like an old man from 60s, okay? Which is patience. Patience is the most underrated element for success or so whatever in this generation. Almost everything comes very fast, right? Fast technology, fast internet, and very fast food delivery, right? Humans are losing their patience very, very easily in every situation, where the situation is not even eligible to use the word patience. Even if you love what you do and have no patience, it is a complete disaster. So remember, micro speed, macro patience, micro speed, macro patience, micro speed, macro patience, micro speed, macro patience, micro speed, macro patience. If you fail, no problem. Remember step number 1 and try to learn something from that failure.
Everybody says this one thing, learn from failures. How the heck we can learn from falling when we intended to run?
Step 5, bro. If you ask me how, I may not be able to tell you in detail, but I can tell you one thing, which is the thought process which created the problem won't give you the solution. So try to change the perspective on the failure and try to think the other way. And people who face the huge problems or huge failures loses their senses and do wrong things. At that point of time, you have to do one thing, which is to stay with people you love and who encourages you all the time. This will keep your mind at ease and lets you to change the perspective from that failure. So, change your perspective on that problem and learn from the failures. I'll make it simple. Don't quit if you want to win, because losing is not really losing unless you quit. Do you understand? This is not a step, this is different. This is for people who are beyond dilemma, okay? Which means they say, like, I don't know what I love, I don't like doing anything. My only advice is for those people is try new things. Come out of that freaking comfort zone and try new things. At some point, you will know what you love, right? So try new things unless you know what you love. And friends, these are the 7 steps for how to deal with dilemma and how to deal with the worst cases caused by the wrong decisions we made. If you don't understand the video, watch it again, because the video is worth watching. And my friends, life is not alone based on the choices we make. Even if the right choices are made, because of some butterfly effect kind of things, your life may turn both positively or negatively. So stop worrying. It is entirely okay to fail, and it is because experiences teach more than words. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment the best parts. Thanks for watching.
Now I feel better.
So you're not going to do your job?
I can't say that right now.
That's a good progress. Anyways, happy Ugadi, bro.
Thank you. And same to you, to your family also.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. Be safe, stay at home, don't step out and use masks, sanitizers. Thank you.